Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I am always looking for really tasty portable snacks to keep around, and I am loving these Nature Valley granola bars. This is the sweet and salty nut bars, and this flavor is dark chocolate, peanut, and almond, and these are very delicious. So what you get is a box of 24 1.2 ounce bars. This is the size of them, and they are so delicious and they're so portable. It's easy to grab one and throw into your bag or keep some at work or wherever you might be. Then these are such a great little option. So I love a couple things about these. These are a granola bar, so they have oats and different things. They're a little bit chewy. I like the sweet and salty. It's a really nice balance of flavors. And the bottom has a chocolate coating, which is super delicious. And I love dark chocolate, so it's just perfect. And I also appreciate that the nuts in this, the almonds and peanuts, are left whole. So they give you a very satisfying crunch. They're not chopped up into tiny pieces, so you get a good crunch with them. And I just love these. So if you're looking for a portable snack that is delicious, it will satisfy both the sweet and salty craving, then I would definitely recommend these Nature Valley sweet and salty nut bars. I really love them, and that's my point of view.